Mango raspberry smoothie. I'm going to be using 3 fruits. So I have my mango, a handful of raspberries, and a banana. That's all. So let's get making smoothie. How? So here, I'm going to add my mangoes in my blender. Then I'm going to add a couple of raspberries, just a handful, not so much, and 1 banana. I'm going to add a little bit of water to help us blend. Let's blend. My smoothie is ready. So I have my mason jar. I'm going to be adding my smoothie in my jar. And it's already smelling good. And it's looking so good. I'm going to top it up with a raspberry and a straw, of course. There you have it. This is simple, healthy, delicious, and full of vitamins. So you can have my mango raspberry smoothie for breakfast or lunch or even as a snack, and your day will be as wonderful as this smoothie. Trust me. So thank you so much for watching, and hope I'll see you on my next episode. Ciao!